If you ever want to share property with someone from the booking.com website, you can easily do this two easy ways. So you want to go ahead and find a property, of course. I'm going to just quickly find something here. So let's choose this property here. And as you can see, it's a lovely one, Hard Rock Cafe in Ibiza. And let's say I want to share this. There's two ways. You can simply copy this entire link from your browser, share it with a person, and a person will be able to view this hotel. Alternatively, if you look towards the upper right hand side of this page here for the hotel, you will find the option where it says item saved, and you can save it, and you also have the share. If you hover over that, it says share this property. If you click on that, you can quickly share this on Facebook and Twitter or X formerly, as you can see here, and you can just simply copy the link. Let's say I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to just quickly close the page here of it. And so you'll be able to see that once I enter that link here, it's going to be much smaller, of course, but it's going to take me right over to that same official page here for that hotel. And that's how you easily go ahead and copy. So you can copy the link, and you can go ahead and you can share that with someone, and you can share it through email, you can share it through chats, whatever it is. You can quickly do that, guys. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.